if you're a crypto user who visits different apps and websites to connect the wallet, you must watch this video if you don't want to get drained. If you're a crypto dev that wants to build some application and searching for job, rambling around, then you have no choice but watch this video. So on Reddit and LinkedIn, there has been so many different kinds of wallet drainers, and I'm going to expose you the most, the hidden one, the one that doesn't require you to connect wallet or anything. It's literally, it, people say they connect their wallet or signed some message or they did some transaction and then they got drained, right? But now I'm going to show you, you don't need to do anything. You just visit the website and you get drained. The most advanced one. So yeah, watch this till the end. I'll explain everything, break down every process. So this guy on Reddit is complaining how he basically executed this contract. You can pause the video and read about it. Well, yeah, and on LinkedIn there is also a post about it. Basically, lucky for me, there was something called child process package, and then yeah, it says a new scam hidden inside the wallet drainer script. So basically, it's a script that drains your wallet. Um, okay, so there is another post. Okay, yeah, the same post, right? Yep, but basically the same post. So I'm going to show you guys. Here's the, for example, job offer. It says I'm seeking senior, blah blah blah. Before we get, you should do a simple testing. Your task is to take some screenshots of consoles on terminal when the board runs. That means I have to run this program and it will execute anything as possible in my computer. Well, the first red flag is when we visit, it's already closed, right? Page not found. So probably someone reported and it took it down, right? You can see, guys, there's so many of them. Basically, this guy also offering this guy again, staking contract with React, budget is 10K. They try to get some high budget. Well, it's okay in blockchain, but uh, how to say, they just contact everyone randomly. So yeah, you can see here. Uh, yeah, so many guys, just so many. So how do I know them? Is because I'm from Kazakhstan and I speak Russian, right? I know some little bit of Ukrainian. And some of these scammers, they pretend to be Ukrainian, or some of them pretend whatever they buy on LinkedIn, right? Accounts like like Mexicans, whatever. So uh, I just they say like let's call, right, whatever, they speak English, and I say okay, can we switch to Russian, and they just know just English, like uh it's like so sketchy, right? Like they speak with not Russian accent at all, and they're different. And the ones that pretend to be Spanish, they don't speak Spanish at all. Like when they say just gracias, they don't understand. Or when they say like something in Russian, they just don't understand at all. At least I understand if they don't want to speak, but they could understand me still, right? But they just plainly don't understand anything at all. So yeah. So yeah, now let me explain how it works, right? Well, I've seen so many of them. I almost fall for this one, and well, thanks God, I keep separate, testing. Like I have separate device for running code, whatever, and I have separate device for just doing my transactions and all my private stuff. So this is here how it works. It's an npm package. Most people code in JavaScript, so this is an npm package. It's called child process that we mentioned. So you can see here just npm install child process and it's done. So what's the source here? The source, secret source, is it can execute any file. So you just import the child process, then you can execute any file. In this case, it was txt, right? But you can execute exe file, you can execute Python file, C++ file, anything you want, right? And yeah, you don't need to wait for output. So you can now understand that by executing any file, they can run a virus, right? They can run a keylogger. They can run a search file for MetaMask. Basically, they can get your MetaMask file because it's a cache, right, somewhere stored, and then they can, uh, by putting different passwords, they can unlock it and get your private phrase. Yeah, yeah, and um, yeah, basically it will pass all antivirus tests because it's not a virus technically, because it's executing the remote file. the file itself that execute that's trying to call other file, it's harmless, right? So it will pass any virus tests. It will be like um, zero suspicion to any program. So if you think like, okay, I have a MacBook, I have this Avast antivirus, no, it's not going to help you, right? Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll leave some links, some useful links below. Why I'm doing this video is because I've seen so many cases of this. People still keep falling, and there is not much information going on, and there is not much like, especially on YouTube, right? There's not much things going on. Nobody talks about it. So yeah, I hope this boring video helped you to save your finances. See you in the next video.